Hi you guys, this is a farm tour, so just try to do it, but then stupid YouTube kicked me out. So I'm gonna start off right here and I'm gonna work my way around. So this is our pool. It's very nice. I might go swimming later. No, Lucas, get down. This is Lucas, he's my baby brother. Say hi. And then we have Toadstool, he's a Rottweiler. We have Noki, she's a Border Collie. That's a boy, that's a girl, and we have 2 more dogs. Butters is a, oh, there's Benny. Can barely see it. Benny! Come! Benny, come! Now! Heel! Good boy! That's Benny. He's a lab. And then I don't know where Butters is. Good Butters. And then mine. Can't really see her, but Butters and my mom. Here's Lucas again. Here's my trampoline. I can't jump very high or show you guys my front flip. Wait, yes I can. Whoa, holy cow, that was cool. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna do yes. We got our playground. I'll see you guys in a second. We got our screens. I'll show you guys what everything does and how it does it. Lucas is dirty. Luke, you'll just be on the playground, okay?
Yeah,
this playground. Okay, you can come without your shoe. He is a wreck. He has one sock because it's dirty. Then he has a sandal and his other sandal.
Give me my channel.
Say it again.
Give me my channel.
Just go barefoot. I don't really care. So first, this stuff is going to be hard to do with the camera. So I'm going to see something. I'm going to see if I can prop it up like this. Should be good. Okay. Make sure I didn't click any buttons. Yeah, okay. So, this is our first thing. This is a swing, so you can really do anything you want. But, it's kind of nice. You kind of got to grab onto this thing, so otherwise it hits you in the head a lot. But then, yeah, it's our circle swing. It pinches you a lot, so right here pinches you. It gives you rope burn. But then this thing, which is the camera, so you can see it better. Hopefully, maybe like that. I don't know. This thing is really nice. And then so we have these. And then we have this. And you can basically do whatever you want with that. And I'll show you guys my trick. I don't want any shoes on because they fall from my face. You go like this. You put your legs. And then you have to grab onto the chain. You have to work your way up. Like this, you guys probably can't see me because I'm probably too high. But then to get under like this, you have to drop. And then you have to get down. Oh, my shoes. And then I'll show you guys the rest of it. So then this is our seesaw. So how this works, I think I can have you guys with me for this one. You sit on it. You sit down. And then you kind of just grab this. Well, same as. So you kind of just grab this and you put your feet through these holes. And you kind of just do this. And you have another person on the back. And you guys go back to back. But yeah, I don't really want to do that one. Then we have this normal swing. And you guys probably know what a swing is. And how they look and how they are. And this is Luke's swing. It's a little baby swing. And I'll show you this playground. There's a tire swing. Here's Lucas. He's coming up these steps. Or you can do what I do. I go up these. And then nice. And then you have monkey bars to do. And then you have a rock wall. And then, watch out, Lukey. We have a slide. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys today. I'll give you part 2 later. Bye.